When luxurious indulgence is your first priority. When you want to arrive refreshed and ready. When you need to make a bold statement without saying a word. Only the Mercedes-Benz S-Class will do. The exclusive new S-Class sits at the pinnacle of the Mercedes-Benz range and once again sets the standard for the Australian luxury car market. New engines on offer, the latest in safety technology, and the debut of a suite of wellness features designed to refresh and re-energise occupants are just some of the highlights within the range. And, as you would expect, a long list of appointments spans a model range that includes the flagship Mercedes Maybach. Now you can arrive at your destination feeling your best, thanks to energising comfort control, which sets new standards in comfort and luxury. Making its world premiere in the latest S-Class, energising comfort control comprises a number of programs that enhance your physical well-being and performance inside the cabin. Maybe I want to start my day feeling invigorated, so I go to the vitality setting and immediately the ambient lighting and climate control, seat temperature, air balance, music and even the seat massage function react to create a stimulating, energetic environment. Or, if it's been a long day and you want to let go of some tension, select Wellbeing. You may have just noticed the car has changed the music to select the most relaxing tracks to help me unwind on the trip home. But that's enough of that. Let's get ready to start the day. Select Joy. Now you're ready to perform at your best, and so is the S-Class. The latest model comes with a range of new engine options that have more power and better fuel economy than its predecessor. New to the range are a petrol-powered bi-turbo V8 and a turbocharged 6-cylinder diesel, each capable of effortless acceleration. Of course, being an S-Class, you expect the latest in safety technology. To tell us more, who better than Mercedes-Benz Driving Academy Chief Instructor, Peter Hackett. Pete, great to see you.
How you going?
Very well, thank you. Now, I have fallen in love with this car already, but tell me, what do you love about it?
Mercedes-Benz is a world leader in safety technology, and the new S-Class is the strongest demonstration yet of where that innovation is leading us. One example is the active lane change assist function. When Distronic is activated on a multi-lane road above 80 kilometers per hour, the driver presses the indicator for up to 10 seconds. If the adjacent lane is unoccupied, the car can automatically steer into the next lane. Another innovation of driving in heavy traffic is extended automatic restart. If the car should come to a stop in traffic whilst the Distronic automatic cruise control function is enabled, it can stand stationary for up to 30 seconds before automatically setting off again and continuing to adjust its speed according to the car in front. With the numerous radar sensors and cameras fitted to the S-Class monitoring the traffic around you, you're not only safer, but also more comfortable and relaxed.
Everywhere you look in the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, everything you touch represents the best of automotive luxury. From the beautifully presented widescreen cockpit and wireless charging for your smartphone, to a 13-speaker high-quality Burmester sound system and a panoramic sunroof, you're truly spoiled. Add in adjustable rear seats and a rear seat entertainment system, along with an extra 77mm of legroom in long wheelbase models, and even your passengers will experience true luxury. Also new to the S-Class range for the first time are multi-beam LED headlamps. These include 84 individually controlled LEDs in each headlamp that precisely adjust to traffic conditions. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is packed with the latest in safety, engine and lighting technologies, along with the groundbreaking new energising comfort control. So now, more than ever, no matter what life throws at you, the best car in the world is the best place to be.
Since Mercedes-Benz launched the S-Class in 1972, they sold more than 4 million cars worldwide. The target of the car was quite easy to explain. They say, we want to build the best car of the world. If the new S-Class really is the best car in the world, and if it delivers what I expect from an S-Class, let's find out now. When we're talking about the best car of the world, of course we talk about safety. We need the maximum here. And today, if we talk about safety and security, we of course talk about assistant and safety systems of the car. And what does the new S-Class deliver regarding to that?
Well, needless to say, it's our goal as well to make it the best car in the world, and it already is, and we've improved it yet another time. So we've worked a lot with the hardware, with the camera, with the radars, and of course also with the intelligence inside, so with the algorithms. The cameras or the systems themselves, they are now capable of assisting the driver in almost any critical situation, whether it's the pedestrian crossing, whether it's the rear of a traffic jam. We always try to help the driver when the driver does not know what to do anymore.
And when we talk about comfort regarding to assistance systems, what is happening there?
Well, we are now also introducing the camera, the map information into the system, which means we have more information of the road lying ahead of us, and that again helps the driver to get assistance in almost any situation on all streets at all speeds. We will assist the driver with regard to longitudinal control of the car, with regard to steering assist systems. So it's an utmost level of comfort in all situations.
In principle, the new S-Class now features the assistance systems of the new E-Class. But these have been improved consequently. Now for easier overtaking, you simply tap the indicator only once. And the new Distronic adjusts the speed of the vehicle automatically, for instance before curves, roundabouts and intersections. The car scans the road in front of the car, so that wherever there is a bump, the car will automatically adapt them with a damper, so you will not even feel them. And another very clever feature is the chassis tilts into a bend now by 2.65% to reduce the lateral forces on the passengers, and that really makes the car a lot more comfortable when driving. So a pure pleasure and perfect comfort. The best car in the world must have the best engines on board, and that means we have to have an agile car as well as a very efficient car. And what does the new S-Class deliver regarding to this?
I think we have something to offer here. We have 3 new engine lines. That starts with a V8, a new V8, and 2 inline 6-cylinder engines, 1 gasoline, 1 diesel, and we have a lot to offer there.
And what about technology? Is there anything brand new on board?
Yes, especially with the inline 6-cylinder gasoline. This is combined with a 48-volt electric system that helps us to bring down the consumption by 22% and still have a very agile engine. So we think it's okay to have now an inline 6 in the S500 position that usually or traditionally used to be a V8.
Probably the most important change with the powertrain is the consequent use of the 48-volt electrical system in the new 6-cylinder engine. With the integrated starter generator, it is now possible to increase the engine power by 16 kilowatts and the maximum torque by 250 Newton meters for boosting. In addition, the recuperation has a positive effect on the consumption. And the new electric compressor also significantly reduces the lack of the turbocharger. I think there are a lot of people who just buy the S-Class because it's extremely safe and extremely comfortable, but I think some of those may want extra performance. Can you deliver anything there?
Yeah, sure. I think we have to offer something for everybody. So we have a very attractive entrance package with the inline 6-cylinder diesel. We increased power by 10% and consumption went down 6%, so very attractive package. And of course the AMG models S63, sky's the limit. We have a very, very, very high performance vehicle there, so everybody could be happy.
The best car in the world needs to provide perfect comfort, and I just want to know, what does the S-Class offer here?
So in the new S-Class, we offer the new feature Energizing Comfort. And in this feature, we offer the customer a package of different features that are already present in the car. So whenever the customer wants to change his mood or change the ambient lighting or anything, he just has to press one button and then we have everything taken care of.
And what does that mean? We have different scenes, let's say, and what do they include? What are they taking part of?
So we have two programs which are more about the climatization in the car. So we have the program Freshness, which starts the seat ventilation, enhances the fan, and also offers a little bit of air freshener. Then we have the program Warmth, which starts the seat heating and the panel heating and the steering wheel heating, and also the ambient lighting is always changed, so according to the mood and according to the program. And then we have three other programs which are more about how the driver feels during the drive. So if you need something to pick you up, you can start the program Vitality, and this then also comes with music. So there's a bit of upbeat music which keeps the customer alert and awake.
And when let's say I'm a bit tired because of a long drive, I don't want to struggle around with menus and other stuff. Is there any comfort there?
Yes, of course. So also a very new feature we offer here is the enhanced Lingotronic system, with which you can control most of the vehicle functions that a driver would control during the drive. So for example, if you're following navigation on your navigation screen and you feel a bit tired, you can just start the Lingotronic system and say something like Start Program Vitality, and then the Energizing Comfort Program Vitality starts right away, and you don't have to go through all the menus and sub-menus.
That means perfect comfort as well. The interior of the S-Class presents itself, I think better is not possible. We find absolutely perfect materials, beautiful materials, and really absolute precise and perfect workmanship as well. And I have to say, wherever you look, everything is a beauty, and it's still very modern as well. So in front of me, I do now have these two 12.3-inch screens which are covered by one piece of glass that really makes them look like a widescreen monitor, which presents you all the information you need, absolutely accurate and very beautiful. When we're talking about a luxury car, we have to talk about space, and the S-Class offers loads of it. This is something you expect, but with this car, I'm nearly 2 meters tall, and I can tell you, I sit absolutely perfectly. I've just adjusted the seat the way I want it, and behind me, I can easily sit. And in front of my knees, there's still about 10 centimeters of air. And that's really a pure luxury car that gives you these figures. And I have to tell you, I think nobody needs more than that. The new optional multi-beam LED light of the S-Class is first class in two respects. On the one hand, the 84 individual controllable LEDs of the headlights distribute the light automatically without dazzling other road users. On the other hand, the so-called ultra-range main beam provides the maximum legal light intensity and guarantees an optimal illumination of the route. The best car in the world must deliver a unique design, and very important for me, a timeless design. You have to see the car and instantly know what car you have in, for instance, your rearview mirror. And this is something the S-Class definitely delivers. We have some new things here with the update of the S-Class. For instance, the grille now has these three elements here, and we do of course have new headlights, and they offer these three lines. But very important, they only come with a multi-beam LED light, which is not standard. But Mercedes told me nearly every customer will order it, so this is the face of the S-Class. But is the S-Class the best car in the world?
To be really honest, I can't answer the question because I drove a lot of cars, but not every car. But I have to say, it's definitely one of those.